Nonprofit leaders and fundraisers, are you stuck and looking for a silver bullet? I was meeting recently with my mastermind of other coaches and entrepreneurs, and we were discussing the toll the pandemic has had on leaders and decision makers. It's been a tough 6 months. Leaders seem paralyzed and are looking for a silver bullet. I added, I see patterns with fundraisers thinking if they download a fundraising plan, buy a course, attend a conference, or hire a consultant, magic will happen. Their problems are solved. That's not true. There are no silver bullets. You must do the work. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Here's the fun part. In writing this blog, this one here, I set a challenge with myself. I could write a blog in less than an hour. I set my timer on my watch and committed to not get up from my chair until the blog was done. It was tough. I thought of all kinds of things I needed. A drink of water, a restroom break, to check a response to an email, for example. But no, I stayed laser focused on my one goal, to write this blog. It was tough, but it worked. This is a small example of staying focused and getting a job done, completing tasks that need to happen to accomplish bigger goals. Next time you need to accomplish a task or goal and you keep putting it off, consider these 4 steps. 1. Identify your most pressing goal or task. 2. Let others know of your commitment to the task. 3. Determine a time to get it done. That means finding a quiet place with no distractions and commit to stay laser focused. And 4, do it. There are no silver bullets. Stop thinking there are. You have to do the work. In summary, nonprofit leaders are often pulled in a million directions and have little time to focus. But there are tasks that have to happen to accomplish bigger goals, like raising money for your nonprofit. Identify your top goals, large and small, and break them into doable, maybe even 1 hour chunks. You are doing great work, changing lives and communities. Your work is important. It's work that matters. Thank you for all you do for your community. I hope you found this valuable. If so, please like it, share it, comment, tell others about it. Also, to receive the free download of my fundraising plan template, simply click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. Check it out. See you next time.